This video demonstrates bank payment under vouchers. Bank payment is the proof of transaction conducted through the bank between two parties. The voucher is important because it is an internal accounting control mechanism that ensures every payment is appropriately authorized. To add a new bank payment voucher, click on Add New Voucher. Select the bank account from which payment is made. Enter check number, date, and details. Select the account to whom the payment is made to. When a party is selected, their current account balance is displayed. Add relevant details. Add the amount you have paid. Click Add. Enter optional remarks if any. Click Save. Click on Print to print the invoice. Click on New to add a new voucher. Click on Previous and Next to view other bank payment voucher. Once the entry is made, it is recorded in the relevant ledgers. Subsequent account ledgers to whom the payment is made to is updated with the entry as well. A bank payment voucher can be cancelled as well. The cancelled voucher will stay in the record. However, it will not affect the subsequent ledgers the entry is recorded against. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.